Unfortunately, there is currently no known cure for tinnitus, or ear ringing or buzzing noise. However, there are several treatments and management strategies that can help reduce the impact of tinnitus on a person's quality of life. One of the most common treatments for tinnitus is sound therapy, which involves using external sounds to help mask or distract from the ringing or buzzing noises. This can include white noise machines, background music, or even using earplugs to block out other sounds. Other treatments for tinnitus may include cognitive behavioral therapy, which can help people develop coping strategies and reduce anxiety and stress associated with the condition. Some medications, such as antidepressants or anti-anxiety medications, may also be prescribed to help manage tinnitus symptoms. It's important to note that the effectiveness of tinnitus treatments can vary from person to person, and what works for one person may not work for another. Additionally, some people may find that their tinnitus goes away on its own over time, while others may experience it for the rest of their lives. If you are experiencing tinnitus, it's important to see a healthcare professional to rule out any underlying medical conditions and discuss treatment options. Coping strategies such as stress reduction, getting enough sleep, and limiting caffeine and alcohol intake can also help manage tinnitus symptoms.